Welcome! In this video, we're going to show a brief introduction to APPUiO Cloud. APPUiO Cloud is the simplest way to deploy apps on an OpenShift 4 cluster with the least effort and maximum security. APPUiO Cloud is instantly available, giving you an OpenShift project in minutes ready to use. With APPUiO Cloud, you only pay for the resources you actually use. APPUiO Cloud is multi-cloud, available in different availability zones and spread over different cloud providers. APPUiO Cloud is 100% Swiss, hosted in Swiss data centers. It offers the most advanced security features, including SE Linux, Cilium, two-factor authentication, and Let's Encrypt. Let's see how easy it is to deploy our applications on APPUiO Cloud. First, let's create a new account. Open your browser and navigate to portal.appuio.cloud. You will be redirected to id.vision.net, where you can create an account using one of the following external providers: Google, GitHub, or Microsoft. Clicking on any of these buttons will redirect you to your chosen provider, and you will be asked to authorize the Vision account to access your personal data. Once this is done, you will be redirected to the APPUiO Cloud portal. You will be asked to confirm your username, email, and name. You will then be asked to enter a billing address and to create a default organization. APPUiO Cloud requires users to belong to at least one organization, which will be invoiced and billed depending on your resource consumption. You can have just one user in your organization, but you can also invite your colleagues to join it. Once you've created your default organization, click on your profile in the top right corner of the portal and select the User Settings entry. Make sure your default organization is properly selected. After you have created the billing address and an organization, the Invitations screen allows you to send email invitations to your colleagues and team members to join your organization on APPUiO Cloud. Navigate to the Zones dashboard. This page displays useful information about all the APPUiO Cloud zones. Currently, we have a zone in CloudScale CH in Aargau and another in Exoscale in Geneva. Click on the button labeled OpenShift Web Console next to the Exoscale zone. This opens a new browser tab with the console of the Exoscale CH-GVA-2 APPUiO Cloud zone. You are now seeing the APPUiO Cloud console. It allows you to manage, observe, scale, and configure your applications. There are two major views available: the developer view, which is the one currently visible, and the administrator view for advanced users and administrators. APPUiO Cloud is based on OpenShift 4, itself based on Kubernetes. If you are well versed in YAML, you can, of course, start deploying your applications on APPUiO Cloud with the tools and concepts you're familiar with. But in this video, we're going to see the simplest possible way to get your application running on APPUiO Cloud. The first thing we need to do is to create a project. An OpenShift project is very similar to a Kubernetes namespace. Click on the Create a New Project link to open the corresponding form. Enter a name, a display name, and a description for your project. Only the name is mandatory, but it is recommended to provide all fields to help your future self identify your project. As you can see, your project is empty. Nothing is running and no CPU or memory resources are being consumed. Click on the +Add button in the menu. This brings a screen with various ways to create an application. For this example, we're going to use the Container Images option, allowing us to deploy an existing image from an image registry or image stream tag. Click on Container Images, and in the Deploy Image form that appears, we need an image URL from an external registry. But which image are we going to deploy? If you go to the Vision GitLab page, gitlab.com/vision/applications, you will see plenty of options to choose from. Each one of the applications in this group is ready to be containerized. We're going to pick the Fortune in Go application, which, as the name implies, is written using the Go programming language. This application is automatically built by GitLab CI/CD, and the result of the build process is an image that is automatically and publicly available. Click over Packages and Registries in the menu on the left. Click over the Vision Applications Fortune-Go root image link. Click on the clipboard icon next to the latest tag to copy the URL to your clipboard. Now we can return to APPUiO Cloud and complete the form. Paste the value into the image name from external registry. Select a runtime icon that matches the technology. In this case, it's a Go application, so we'll select the Golang entry. And there's no step 3. The other default options on the form are automatically filled based on the name of the selected container image. Hit the Create button and wait a few seconds for the application to start. In the middle of the topology screen, you will see the Fortune Go application running, with the deployment inside. Click on the Go icon in the middle, and you will see an information pane with details about the application on the right side. You can drag and drop the diagram with your mouse or using the controls at the bottom. The deployment has a pod, a service, and a route, the latter exposing the application to the outside world with a clickable URL. Click on the URL of the route, refresh the screen, and enjoy your application. A new Fortune cookie message and a random number awaits at every refresh. Once you are done with this project, you can easily remove it. Click on the Project menu on the left, click on the Actions menu on the right side of the screen, and select Delete Project. You will be asked to type the name of your project for confirmation. The project will be terminated in a few seconds, and you will see an empty project screen after that. We hope you have enjoyed seeing how easy it is to get your application up and running on APPUiO Cloud. This video scratches the surface of everything that APPUiO Cloud has to offer. To continue your exploration of APPUiO Cloud, we invite you to check the APPUiO Cloud documentation for users located at docs.appuio.cloud, where you will learn advanced topics like how to get free SSL certificates for your custom domains, how to provision databases and S3 buckets with AppCat, and how to trigger backups with KDAP, and so much more. APPUiO Cloud is ready for you. Create your own APPUiO Cloud account today and test it by yourself. Ask your questions and send your feedback through the APPUiO chat or directly at support@appuio.ch. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it on social media. Thanks for watching!